Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to do a test order on Shopify. Firstly, sign into your Shopify account using your admin credentials. From your Shopify admin dashboard, click Settings. Then select Payments from the list. Now under Shopify Payments, click Manage to open Payment Configuration option. Now scroll down to find the Test Mode section. Check the box labeled Enable Test Mode and click Save to apply the changes. Once Test Mode is enabled, your store will simulate transactions without processing real payments. Now you can test the entire checkout process by going to your online store's front end, choose any product and add it to the cart, and proceed to the checkout as if you were a customer. During checkout, use Shopify's test credit card numbers found in Shopify's Help Center to simulate the successful or failed payments. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks like this.